Tired of your money just sitting there, earning next to nothing? You're not alone. Many people are looking for ways to make their money work harder for them. That's where Ally Bank comes in. But how exactly do you get your money into this online bank? Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps of depositing money into your Ally Bank account. Whether you're new to online banking or just curious about Ally, this guide will have you covered. Imagine this: you're finally ready to ditch your traditional brick-and-mortar bank and embrace the convenience of online banking. You've chosen Ally, known for its high-yield savings accounts and competitive rates. But now comes the question: how do I actually get my money into this online bank? Does it involve complicated transfers? Do I need to visit a physical branch, which, of course, Ally doesn't have? Fear not, because depositing money into Ally is surprisingly straightforward. We'll break down the different methods so you can choose the one that best suits your needs and get your money working for you in no time. Method 1: Electronic transfers. Let's start with the most common and arguably easiest method: electronic transfers. This involves moving funds directly from your existing bank account to your Ally account. Here's how it usually works. Log into your current bank's online or mobile banking platform. Navigate to the Transfer Funds or Bill Pay section. Enter Ally Bank's routing and account numbers as the recipient. You'll find these details in your Ally Welcome Kit or within your Ally account online. Specify the amount you wish to transfer. Schedule the transfer for immediate processing or choose a future date. Review and confirm the transfer details. Pros: fast and convenient. Electronic transfers are typically processed quickly, often within 1 to 2 business days. No need to leave your home. You can initiate transfers from anywhere with an internet connection. Cons: may take a few business days to complete. While generally fast, there can be slight delays depending on your bank's processing times. Potential for processing fees: some banks may charge a small fee for external transfers. Remember to double-check all the information before confirming the transfer to avoid any errors. And always keep a record of your transfer details for your own records. Method 2: Direct deposit. If you receive regular income, such as a paycheck or government benefits, setting up direct deposit is a fantastic option. Here's how it works. Contact your employer or the relevant government agency. Provide them with your Ally Bank routing and account numbers. They will then electronically deposit your funds directly into your Ally account on your designated payday. Pros: effortless and automatic. Once set up, you don't have to worry about manually transferring funds each payday. Faster access to your funds. Your paycheck is typically available sooner with direct deposit compared to waiting for a paper check to arrive and then depositing it. Cons: requires coordination with your employer or agency. Setting up direct deposit may involve some administrative steps. Direct deposit is a great way to streamline your finances and ensure your money is available when you need it. Plus, you can often avoid potential delays or lost checks. Method 3: Bank-to-bank transfers, ACH transfers. Similar to electronic transfers, ACH transfers allow you to move funds between your bank accounts. However, they typically rely on a network called the Automated Clearinghouse. Here's how it usually works. Log into your Ally Bank account. Locate the Transfers or Move Money section. Select the option to initiate an external transfer. Enter the required information from your existing bank account. Specify the amount you wish to transfer. Review and confirm the transfer details. Pros: convenient and often free. Ally typically does not charge fees for incoming ACH transfers. Secure and reliable. ACH transfers are processed through a secure network. Cons: processing times can vary. While generally fast, ACH transfers may take a few business days to complete. ACH transfers offer a convenient and often cost-effective way to move funds between your accounts. Just be sure to double-check all the information before initiating the transfer. Method 4: Mobile check deposit. For those who prefer to deposit physical checks, Ally offers a convenient mobile check deposit feature. Here's how it works. Download the Ally mobile app to your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Ally account within the app. Select the mobile check deposit option. Follow the on-screen instructions to endorse the back of your check. Use the app's camera to capture clear images of the front and back of the check. Review and submit the deposit. Pros: convenient and time-saving. Deposit checks from anywhere with a mobile internet connection. Fast processing. Deposits are typically processed quickly, often within 1 to 2 business days. Cons: requires a clear image. Ensure you capture clear and legible images of the check to avoid processing delays. Check holding period. There may be a short holding period before the funds are available for use. Mobile check deposit is a fantastic option for those who still receive paper checks but want the convenience of online banking. Just make sure to follow the instructions carefully and maintain a good internet connection. Method 5. Visiting a partner bank, if available. While Ally is an online bank, you may have the option to deposit cash or checks at a partner bank. Here's how it generally works. Locate a partner bank in your area. Visit the partner bank's branch during their business hours. Present your Ally deposit slip, available online or through the Ally mobile app, and the funds you wish to deposit. Pros: convenient for those who prefer in-person transactions. Cons: may have limited availability. Partner bank locations may not be readily available in all areas. Potential for fees. Some partner banks may charge fees for accepting deposits. If this option is available to you, it can provide a convenient way to deposit cash or checks, especially if you prefer in-person interactions. Before you start depositing money into your Ally account, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Account verification. Ally may require you to verify your identity before you can make deposits. This may involve providing additional documentation, such as a copy of your driver's license or a recent utility bill. Deposit limits. There may be limits on the amount you can deposit per day or per transaction. Processing times. Be aware that processing times can vary depending on the deposit method you choose. Account fees. Review Ally's fee schedule to understand any potential fees associated with deposits or account maintenance. By understanding these key considerations, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience when depositing money into your Ally bank account. Here are a few tips to help you make the most of your Ally deposit experience. Plan ahead. If you're planning a large deposit, it's always a good idea to plan ahead and initiate the transfer in advance. Review your account activity. Regularly review your Ally account activity to ensure that all your deposits have been processed correctly. Contact Ally support. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, don't hesitate to contact Ally's customer support team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.